Great apes are an intriguing group of animals found across various parts of the world. Most great apes are larger and more powerful than other primates. But today, we'll focus on determining which species among them is the deadliest. Ever wondered which great ape would give the fiercest fight in the wild? Stick around until the end of this video to discover not only the deadliest great ape, but also some surprising facts about these incredible creatures that might just change the way you view them. We'll rank these apes from least to most dangerous, evaluating them based on factors such as size, behavior, and the frequency of attacks on humans. Keep in mind, this ranking is more of an overview than an exact science, so I welcome your thoughts in the comments. Let's dive in and start with our first species, which takes us to the Democratic Republic of Congo. Bonobos are often called hippie chimps due to their notably peaceful nature. They are one of two species in their genus, the other being the common chimpanzee. Identifying the two species can be challenging, and bonobos were only recently recognized as a distinct species. They typically have pinker lips, darker faces, and are smaller than chimpanzees on average. While bonobos and chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, their temperaments and behaviors are quite different. Chimpanzees are known for their aggression and brutality, whereas bonobos are renowned for their peaceful disposition. Bonobo societies are matriarchal, and they use sex as a means to strengthen social bonds and resolve conflicts within their groups. Despite this peaceful approach, interactions between different bonobo groups can turn violent, sometimes leading to fatalities. Bonobos primarily consume plant matter, but also hunt animals like antelopes, squirrels, and rodents. They are stronger than most humans, but are not particularly large. Although there have been a few reported attacks by bonobos, none have been fatal. Next, we'll journey to Southeast Asia to explore the fascinating world of orangutans. There are three species of orangutans: the Bornean, the Sumatran, and the Tapanuli. When ranking these three orangutan species based on their potential danger, the Tapanuli orangutan is the least dangerous due to its smaller size and more reclusive nature. The Sumatran orangutan comes next. It is slightly larger and can be more aggressive than the Tapanuli. The Bornean orangutan is the most dangerous of the three, as its larger size and greater strength make it the most formidable. Orangutans are the largest tree-dwelling mammals, spending most of their lives swinging through the forest canopies. Their dependence on forests makes them critically endangered, as their habitats are rapidly disappearing. These primates show significant sexual dimorphism, with males weighing up to 200 pounds in the wild, making them much stronger than humans. Despite their strength, orangutans face threats from predators like tigers, pythons, and crocodiles, though clouded leopards rarely target adults. Primarily herbivorous, orangutans do occasionally hunt small animals like slow lorises and rodents. Generally, they are peaceful creatures, and attacks on humans are extremely rare and only occur in captivity. No fatal attacks have been recorded thanks to their generally non-aggressive nature. Next, we'll return to Central Africa to delve into the world of gorillas. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. When ranking the two gorilla species based on their potential danger, because they are typically smaller and less aggressive, the western gorilla is generally considered less dangerous than the eastern gorilla. The eastern gorilla, which includes both the mountain and eastern lowland gorillas, is larger and more powerful, making it potentially more dangerous due to its greater strength and size. Gorillas are the largest and most powerful of the great apes, with some individuals weighing up to 500 pounds in the wild. Although they are generally shorter than humans, they are far bulkier and possess formidable teeth. Despite their impressive canines, which resemble those of predators, about 85% of their diet consists of leaves and stems, with occasional consumption of insects and mollusks. They rarely hunt other mammals. Gorillas live in small groups called troops, typically led by a dominant silverback male who protects the troop from threats, mainly leopards. If gorillas were more aggressive, they could easily be among the deadliest primates. However, gorillas are generally peaceful and only attack when provoked. Conflicts are more common between males, but attacks on humans are rare. One notable incident occurred in 2021 at the Madrid Zoo, where a zookeeper sustained fractures from a gorilla attack. Fortunately, such cases are extremely rare. Next up, we turn our attention to chimpanzees, staying within Africa to explore these remarkable primates. Known for their high intelligence and strength, chimpanzees share many similarities with humans. They live in groups of up to 150 members and maintain a strict male-dominated hierarchy, much like other great apes. Their diet primarily consists of plant matter, but they also consume other primates, small ungulates, birds, and reptiles. While chimpanzees generally resolve disputes peacefully, their occasional conflicts can be incredibly brutal. They have been known to maim and kill each other, and separate groups can even engage in prolonged wars, with one notorious conflict lasting 4 years and resulting in the death of all males in one community. In addition to infighting, chimpanzees have been observed attacking and killing young gorillas. Attacks on humans in the wild are exceptionally rare, but captivity presents a different scenario. Chimpanzees are highly dangerous and should never be kept as pets. There have been several distressing cases where pet chimps have harmed their owners and others, with one of the most notable incidents involving a chimp named Travis in 2009. Travis severely injured his owner's friend before being shot by a police officer. Such incidents, while rare, highlight the chimpanzee's formidable power and aggression. As the most formidable of the great apes, humans hold the title of the deadliest primates on the planet. Our actions result in the deaths of billions of animals each year. Since many of you watching are human, I'll keep this brief. We're all aware of the significant impact we have on the world. Aside from the countless wars going on, human activities are a major factor in the endangerment and extinction of countless species, and are also the primary cause of suffering among other great apes. From hunting them to destroying their habitats, our impact is profound. While we hope for positive changes in the future, it's likely that humans will remain the most dangerous primates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.